Okay guys, I have just got a package from a company called Odd Devices. They sell very niche, small quantity handmade items from America for your Acty. I just wanted to show you what I've got. So I have just purchased a couple of small bits. They sell brackets that fit into the existing holes in your Acty. Apparently, I'm going to fit them later. I'm just at home at the moment, so I'm going to go to the workshop later to fit all these. These are some brackets that I've bought. There's 4 of them. I also bought some fittings for the brackets, which should hopefully all fit nicely. So I've got a couple of bright pink washers and M6 bolts and a couple of gold ones, so they should fit nicely. But the biggest thing I bought was this cup holder, which should supposedly fit, according to all the pictures at least. Oh, little sticker. Should fit in all the existing holes in the truck. So you've got a nice stainless steel insert there with a non-slip mat, rubber backing as well. Oh, this, I've just noticed, this looks like it's a double-sided taped as well, so you can put them in place. So we've got a double cup holder with the Odd Devices logo, all machined, powder coated. I got an orange one, but yeah, this should be cool. This should fit just with 2 bolts, which are this fitting kit here, into the truck. So later on this morning, I'm going to drive down to the workshop and fit all this and see how it comes out. Yeah, odddevices.com. I've put a scroll of the website on the video as well, hopefully, if my editing skills allows. But yeah, I'll fit that shortly and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay guys, I'm just going to fit those couple of bits to the truck. I think I will start, actually I should put that in the bin rather than just, I think I'll just start with the brackets and fittings I think first, which literally just go in these holes either side. That's nice and easy. And then in here, which I'm surprised about because I didn't know, but you know, you've got to trust it, there is actually 2 fittings here. So when I come to do that, I'll get the light on and then do that. But literally I'll just unscrew these 10mm bolt, swap them for these. Just going to grab the copper grease so that when I put the new brackets on, I'll put a tiny little bit on the thread and on the back of the bracket, just so that A, it doesn't scratch the paint, and B, when the time comes over, might want to take them off, it obviously makes it nice and easy because no one wants a seized bolt or something. So yeah, a little tiny bit on the thread and then that'll stop that. This is super nice and easy. It's just literally put that bolt in with the washer. It's a small Allen key to fit it, and then just offer it up to your holes. Alright guys, as you can imagine, literally 2-minute job, super easy. And now I've got some brackets on each side, because believe it or not, because this ladder rack is a square, you can't actually easily hook what they call bungee cords around it, because it's a square. It's just a bit faffy, so I ended up hooking them around here all the time. But now I've got these cool brackets, so I can hook stuff on there when I'm carrying stuff. Super easy little mod. And I'll just turn my attention now to the cup holder, which again is supposed to fit into the existing holes. It does have some big washers to it, but we'll give it a go. Okay guys, it's quite a tight space to work in here, but I've got my bag of goodies. Obviously, as you can see, One's a square hole, one's a circular hole. I think the silver washer will be enough just to keep it. I mean, it is only a cup holder, so not a big deal. But yeah, I'll grab a few bits and we'll crack on. Okay, a little bit of clambering around. I'm just putting the washer on the back. Then hopefully I'll be able to get my hand around just to put this little bolt nut on. Can't actually see what I'm doing, but I can feel it. There we go, that's one nut on. Just got to do that up tighter from the other side. I'll just do this one. So you've got small bolt, washer, straight through the hole. Then I've got to get this small washer on. Oh yeah, that's going to be a lot easier going from the other side, I think. So I think I'll go around the other side for that. This is actually quite a tight space to get your head in. And I've even got a big head. Ooh, what do I do with that? Here we go. That was a bit fiddly. Bit fiddly, but that is on. That is great. Okay, let's go and get the inserts. We'll check if it catches on. Right guys, I was just checking to see if it would catch whilst I'm driving, and believe it or not, it doesn't. No, that's fine. Don't get me wrong, I'm bound to knock it at some point, but there is quite a bit of movement in there in a good way. It's on tight. I might be able to get it up slightly tighter, but there is a little bit of movement there. But yeah, that's cool. Cup holders, done. Suppose good time to just check. Perfect. Now cup holders. Absolutely perfect. Thank you odddevices.com. Really appreciate it. Nice.